So continuing my trip to Moalboal, after a short rest I headed out to explore the town of Panagsama and the beach, which was about a 10-minute walk from my hotel. My bedroom was a bit pokey. The double bed was under the eaves and just had a small window in the room. It felt like I was staying in somebody's attic. Apart from a small chest of drawers, there was no wardrobe or hooks on the wall to hang clothes. Nothing also in the bathroom to hang used towels. Very strange. With a Dutch owner, you'd have thought he'd have known that people like to hang their clothes somewhere. Or maybe they don't hang their clothes in Holland. I've been spoilt for the past 2.5 years living in a condo. I don't like living out of a travel bag. A few years back I spent a British winter in India. After spending 2.5 months in the beautiful village of Agonda in Goa, I felt stir crazy and needed to go and explore southern India. I journeyed on trains and buses and travelled across the states of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. I'd done a similar journey 30 years earlier when I spent 6 months traversing the whole country. But this time, older and wiser, I felt that I'd grown weary of daily travel, changing hotels and moving on. I travelled for 3 months, but realised this time I'm more of a fan of slow travel nowadays, spending more time in one place before moving on. Hence, staying in Cebu City for so long. So it felt strange coming to Moalboal for just 2 days. Oh, how are you?
Good. Are you vlogging?
I am. Is that okay?
Say hi. Welcome to the Philippines.
I think I recognise you.
Na patay. On the Tinder or
Yes, Ibuana.
Oh yeah! Oh my god!
Why are you not swiping right on me?
No, I didn't.
So you need to check my channel.
That's so cool. Oh, it's nice. It's like a business I call you maybe joking. I was joking.
You can contact me on Instagram and you can change your mind about swiping right.
Okay. Have a good day.
Take care.
Hello.
Thank you.
What's up?
How's it going?
Today, where are you going today? Go to the beach?
I'm just going to the local beach. I've just got here.
Okay.
I'm just going to chill.
Chill.
No, I'm not doing any sardines. I'm not doing any of that. I'm just chilling.
Chilling today.
Yes.
Smoking.
Yes.
Exercise.
Exactly. What's your name?
Jamie?
Jamie?
Yes, nice to meet you, sir.
Philip.
Where are you from?
Philip. UK.
Nice to meet you.
UK.
Yes, nice to meet you.
Take care. Don't miss out on quality broadcasting. Please like and subscribe to Bigg World Cinema. Thank you. Panagsama town centre only consists of a few streets, housing a number of hotels, restaurants, bars, shops and dive centres. I mentioned earlier my time spent in Goa. I'd sit for hours relaxing at the bars and restaurants in the hundreds that overlook the beach and sea. Moalboal doesn't have that. Sadly, there are only around half a dozen that overlook the seafront, as the big resorts have snapped up the prime locations. Most of the bars and restaurants were inland, behind the seafront, or on the main street leading into town. Hello.
It's working?
It's working. You started early. What time is it? Good grief.
Now it's 12.
Oh, you're starting late then.
Yeah, you want?
No, I'm fine, thanks. I don't drink.
No, it's okay.
No. During the day, I'm fine, thanks.
Okay.
Very kind of you. Very kind of you.
Where you from?
England.
Oh, England.
Just got here. Just arrived. Just now.
Your
Literally.
first time?
Yeah.
You are only one?
Just me.
Ah, okay. Tonight you go there. They have a nightlife over there.
Where?
Nightlife party.
Just here.
Yeah. I have a DJ tonight and.
You're a DJ? Okay.
What
What sort of music do you play?
Huh?
What music? What type?
Reggae.
Reggae.
You like reggae?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Nice.
If I'm not going tired today, I want to go and chili bar. I will play this jacket. I am this jacket.
Oh right. Okay.
Yeah.
What's your name, sir?
DJ Brown.
DJ Brown.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Mr. Bigg.
Mr. B. You're also a DJ? Okay. So where are you staying?
I'm staying Sisters Inn.
Oh yeah, I know. It's just at the side.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very nice.
It's quiet.
It's quiet.
Quiet. Yeah, I've just got there. It's okay. It's okay. Is there much up here to see?
Yeah. There's many bits.
So you can't walk to White Beach, can you?
Very far.
No, but can you walk along the coast to White Beach?
No, because
No.
we have some partition.
Oh right.
can go like
So
this one.
you have to go to the main road.
Yeah, no, not main road. You ride the tricycle, you
Yeah.
talk, then
Okay.
I take 150 going there.
Oh, okay. That sounds good.
Yeah.
Enjoy your beers,
Yeah, thank
gentlemen. Take care. See you later.
Have a good day.
And you. Hello. How are you? What's your name?
Felicity.
Felicity.
Yeah.
What a lovely name. Have you been for a swim? Was it good?
Yeah.
Can you swim? Hello. Are these sisters?
No, it's my cousin.
Your cousin?
Yeah.
What's your names? Say hello. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. What's your names? Christine Jane. And you, young lady? Don't be shy.
Don't be shy. You're vlogging now.
Yes.
What's that? YouTube. I follow this.
Sorry?
Yeah.
Follow. Thank you. Felicity, take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Oh. Yeah, good. You okay? Panagsama unfortunately doesn't have a decent beach. It was starting to become a destination for backpackers in the 1970s. There was few accommodation at this time, but a lot of sand on the beach. Because of the excellent diving, the place developed quite fast, but was set back when a strong typhoon in 1984 took away almost all of the sand on the beach. Worse still, the rough sea damaged the famous house reef and some shallow areas of Pescador Island. Now the beach area at Panagsama is very rocky and covered with corals. But people are attracted to Panagsama for its marine life, the sardine run, swimming with turtles, snorkeling, and the many diving sites in the area. A lot of businesses in Moalboal took a big hit, not only financially during the COVID pandemic since 2020, but also during Typhoon Odette, which struck Cebu Island in December 2021. It's sad to see a number of buildings along the seafront derelict and abandoned, and no signs of being rebuilt. If you want to lie on a sandy beach, you need to head to Basdako Beach, which literally means big sand. It's also known as White Beach, which is 6 kilometres by road or a 4-kilometre walk along the seashore. And seeing as I'm a sucker for punishment, I did the latter, walking in the afternoon sunshine, which you can see in my next video. If you've enjoyed the video, please could you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching everyone. I'll see you on the next video. Take care.